Our next award, the Scientist of the Year, goes to Dr. Daniel Gortat. Thank you. Thanks. Yes, it was quite a work on the high-power microwave anodes. So high-power microwaves lie in a totally different power domain to conventional microwaves and are based on vacuum microwave electronics as opposite to solid-state electronics. Their applications vary from radon communication systems to heating and current drive of plasmas and tokamaks and active denial technology for non-lethal car control. Their working principle is that of a vacuum tube. Here we have a two-cavity klystron amplifier. A beam of electrons is produced by a negatively charged heated component called the cathode and accelerated by a positively charged component called the anode to produce a high-velocity electron stream. The beam then passes through a buncher and the catcher, where a microwave signal fed through the buncher comes out amplified out of the catcher. Between the two microwave input lies the infamous drift space. This space is long enough so that the slow-moving electrons catch up to the rest, forming bunches, hence the name buncher and the catcher. Lastly, there is a collector, a second anode, which absorbs the spent electron beam. Now let's focus where the magic happens. In vacuum electronics, there is no energy or efficiency loss during the electron movement because the electrons move unobstructed through the evacuated region. However, the impact of the electron stream on the anode has the following results. The anode starts to outgas. Secondary electrons are emitted, which in their turn charge the outgassed atoms and create plasma at the anode surface. All those effects reduce the vacuum in the high-power microwave system, undermining its performance. Thus, my task was to reduce the outgassing and secondary electron emission of the vacuum tube anode, also designing it compact in size to transition high-power microwave systems onto mobile platforms. This led me to developing multifunctional materials for anode applications in high-power microwave devices.